welcome to this video where you will learn about the foods and the drinks that you need to specifically avoid if you want to reverse diabetes. Because although we have a lot of medications to help lower your blood sugar level, the proper food choices as well as the correct lifestyle, it can really do wonders. Stay with me until the end. I will teach you tips to lessen urination at night so you can sleep better. And stay with me until the end for you to know why you shouldn't drink alcohol if you're taking Metformin, a common drug to lower blood sugar level. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you practical health tips and home exercise programs that you can surely benefit from. Clinical studies have actually already proven that the correct food choices and lifestyle, it can significantly lower blood sugar level, and in some cases, it can even reverse diabetes. Here are the specific foods and drinks that you need to avoid if you want to reverse diabetes. Flavored yogurts. You think that these are healthy and these are really yummy. But mind you, the flavored yogurts that you see in the grocery stores, it already contains 20 to 30 grams of sugar per serving, which exceeds the maximum amount of sugar that is due for those who have high blood sugar level. What you can do is opt for plain yogurt. You can add fruit slices and even drizzle honey. Plain yogurt is a good source of calcium and protein that you can add for your diabetic-free diet. Processed snacks. Different types of chips, crackers, and processed snacks that you can easily see in grocery stores. It is filled with bad fat, refined carbohydrates, and sugar, which can easily spike up your blood sugar level. For your snacks, choose nuts and seeds. Choose the one that is raw or even roasted, devoid of oil and devoid of sugar. Nuts and seeds are filled with nutrients. It can give you fiber to make you feel full longer, and it also has good cholesterol, which can help you manage blood sugar level at the same time improve your overall health. Cereals. Although very convenient to prepare, the cereals that you see in grocery stores, it is actually filled with a lot of sugar that can cause sugar spikes. Next time, be sure to check the label. See to it that it does not exceed 8 grams of sugar per serving, and it contains at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. But mind you, the best foods are still unprocessed, natural, and organic whole foods for you. Fried foods. Fried foods that are actually located in different fast foods, they are actually loaded with bad fat that can easily lead to different heart conditions. Plus, the oil that are used in this food can actually increase overall inflammation in the body, which is actually the culprit of many chronic or long-term conditions such as stroke and even diabetes. If you want to fully reverse diabetes, you need to be committed in saying no to soda or soft drinks and energy drinks. Because do you know that a 12 ounce of soft drink already contains at least 10 teaspoons of sugar? And contrary to what others are thinking, that diet soda is a healthier option, that is actually not the case. Because although it is being marketed as no sugar, it actually has artificial sweeteners that can affect insulin sensitivity. Plus, do you know that soda can also actually cause dehydration? All sugary drinks can actually increase urination, which can lead to sugar spikes. If you had been accustomed to drinking regularly soda, this would actually predispose to having many chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease to begin with. Now let's talk about energy drink. If you want to reverse diabetes, you need to avoid this because if you're going to check on the labels, it actually contains a lot of calories which can easily lead to weight gain. Since many had been complaining of disrupted sleep due to increased urination at night, which is also actually one of the symptoms of diabetes, follow these tips. It will help you sleep better. You need to avoid drinking your fluids, especially on the hours approaching your bedtime. And be sure to empty your bladder before you sleep. Also, avoid drinking alcohol and caffeine, especially in the afternoon and in the nighttime because it can increase urination. And during the day, be sure to elevate your legs. This way, we prevent the accumulation of fluids in your legs and in your feet. Before we proceed on why you shouldn't be taking alcohol together with your anti-diabetic drugs, I would really appreciate it if you can take only 1 second of your time to please click the like button below if you think that this video or any videos in this channel had been of help to you. Thank you very much. If you want to reverse diabetes, you need to limit and avoid white rice, white bread, and white pasta. These are filled with refined carbohydrates that can easily increase your sugar level. Plus, if you're not mindful about your portion sizes, it can easily lead to weight gain. And it is also devoid of fiber, which is supposed to be there to help you feel full longer or to give you a feeling of satiety. Although delicious, if you are committed in reversing diabetes, you need to avoid flavored coffee and milk tea. These are loaded with additional sugar in the form of syrup, caramel, and chocolate. You also need to avoid coffee mix because it is already loaded with sugar. What is best for you is black coffee. If you want to add creamer in it, you can choose to go for low-fat milk. Teas are also a good option to help lower blood sugar level. To be specific, green tea is found to be helpful for those who are battling with diabetes because it has compounds and antioxidants that can help lower your blood sugar level. For fruits, it is best to include the whole fruit as much as possible because of its fiber content. And lastly, you need to avoid alcohol if you are presently under medication for managing diabetes. That is because some medications for diabetes actually have drug interaction with these medications. Let's discuss metformin, for example, which is the most common anti-diabetic drug. Do you know that when you mix metformin and alcohol, it can lead to what we call as lactic acidosis? Lactic acidosis is the accumulation of lactic acid in the body. This can give symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and even difficulty with breathing. Plus, do you know that drinking alcohol together with metformin, it can actually speed up the complications of diabetes? This is a sad truth, but this is an eye-opener. Please share this video to your friends and family members who are struggling with diabetes, who have metformin but are also always frequently drinking alcohol. Do you know that diabetes on its own, it already has a lot of complications like stroke, heart attack, diabetic retinopathy, wherein the patient is unable to see things because of blurring of vision due to uncontrolled blood sugar level. Imagine, all these complications are being speed up when you mix alcohol together with this medication. Plus, clinical studies have actually shown that mixing metformin together with alcohol, it can actually lead to liver conditions. In fact, inflammation in the liver, fatty liver disease, and even liver cirrhosis. In conclusion, if you really want to reverse diabetes, you really need to stay committed. Say no to high carbs, high sugar, and high bad fat content food. Choose the one that are whole, natural, and unprocessed foods, together with exercise. Aim to exercise at least 30 to 40 minutes 4 to 5 times a week. This will help reverse and lower blood sugar level. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment reverse in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. If you're suffering with numbness and pins and needle sensation as a complication of high blood sugar level, I have a video here on the top 7 vitamins and supplements to help you with nerve pain. Do check on it. It will greatly help you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you.